Is your life having the leadership impact that you desire? Are you wanting to avoid common influence mistakes? So this channel is all about connection, freedom, and impact. Connection, connecting you with stories of success and failure, of what real leadership is about. Setting you up to be free from the constraints of trying to be anything other than your truest, authentic self. And delivering the impact of conscious leadership onto your world, leaving your legacy. Hi, I'm Ian, and also known as Morpheus, and I have been working with thousands of leaders for 2 decades across 80 countries. And I've discovered a few things that are common mistakes and glorious successes. So why don't you just watch a few videos, see if they resonate with you, and subscribe and ring the bell if they do, and come along for the ride.